Hi viewers, welcome back to the VBP Creations. It's me, Anumula. Today everyone know Vinayaka Chaturthi festival. So first I wish to all my viewers Happy Vinayaka Chaturthi. Now I am giving small information about Vinayaka Chaturthi festival. It's a festival of households and the historical background of this festival. BC 271 onwards, AD 1190, BC 271 to AD 1190, Shatavahana, Rashtrakuta dynasties also celebrated this Vinayaka Chaturthi. There was historical evidence are there. Afterwards, Maharashtra king and emperor Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji, he was initiated to the celebrations of Vinayaka Chaturthi. And even Peshwas of Maharashtra, they made this Lord Vinayaka is their deity. Even in Hollywood movie, also recent release Hollywood movie Bajirao Mastani, they traced and tracked this event in that movie. Now, this festival, all the Indians, they started this festival in their houses and to honor the younger son of the Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. And why this honor every year we should do to the Lord Ganesha. There behind these historical stories are there. That historical stories everyone maybe they watched in different movies also. But here the first household celebration brought into a public event by our great leader and a nationalist, and mainly Britishers said that father of Indian unrest, Lokmanya Bala Gangadhar Tilak. He was a person made these celebrations from household event to public event in Maharashtra, and this was started in 1893. That means Bala Gangadhar Tilak started this festival in street wise. That means it was actually celebrated in their houses individually by the householders, but he wanted to celebrate this festival for the cause of national movement. What is it? The national movement and festival relation. What was the relation here? The main intention of the Bala Gangadhar Tilak to make the bridge or remove the gap in between Brahmins and non-Brahmins. All of you know our Indian society divided into caste based. Especially in our society, Brahmins were upper caste and remaining other caste people made them inferiors. Now Tilak was to bridge the gap between Brahmins and non-Brahmins. So He wanted to meet all the people at one place. But at the time the Britishers not allowed any meetings, any processions. Now the Tilak idea was the Indian culture should not be abolished or boycotted or not arrested by the Britishers. So that he wanted to celebrate this Ganesh Chaturthi outside and to call all the people at this place and give the message about the freedom movement. And that is the reason Bala Gangadhar idea was successfully gained, and it was started in 1893 first time in Maharashtra by SSGS. It was a organization conducted this festival outside the houses, and here all the people allowed to come and attend, and these celebrations long last 10 days, and every day different type of dramas and plays and entertainment and giving some messages. All these things happens especially in evening sessions. Now there is no difference between the people, everyone allowed to these programs. Then onwards this festival was spread all over the parts of India, and everywhere the people kept this Lord Vignesh and celebrated 10 days. It was continuously going on. Whenever it was boosted to the national freedom movement, the total gap between the caste system was completely removed. Everyone involved and participated. But here the present situation, when we observe every corner of the places, the people are arranging these program and keeping Ganesha idols. But after 10 days, that Lord Ganesha should immersion, and it was taking as a great program and celebrating. But here we are getting a problem of this immersion, because these all idols earlierly they made with the mud of the river banks, earlier. So again this mud, whenever we immersed, that water absorbed. But nowadays these idols are made by the material of plaster of Paris. And not only that, in this making of idols, they are using different type of chemicals. Even some of the materials like iron, all these materials, when we are immersed Lord Ganesha in these rivers, tanks and ocean waters, wherever the coastal regions are there, they immersed these Lord idols in ocean water. It was started in 1893. 127 years this present Vinayaka Chaturthi means above 100 years, that means around 126 years this immersion was going on. Everyone imagine, whenever we are dropping these idols in the freshwater lakes, The idols which made by the plaster of Paris and chemicals are the water bodies pollute. The pollution of this water cannot be used for different purposes of our daily needs. See, we are in Hyderabad. The Lord Ganesha immersion happens in Hussain Sagar tank. Now the tank was completely polluted. Not only this Lord immersion, and different reasons also that tanks are polluting. But one of the reason, this Lord Ganesha immersion also making the water pollution. This time the government and all the people, they unable to do like this because we are facing COVID-19 problem. So that you know that 2 months whenever it was locked down, there was information from the different departments, the air pollution and water pollution completely decreased because everyone was in their houses, so that there is no any pollution. And myself also I observed different birds also flying whenever there was a lockdown, and the air was very purified air. Now the time was everyone they have to think how best we serve to the nation, serve to the nature. Everyone duty, it is every person's duty to make this nature very purified. It was for the next generations. I hope all of you may think and follow the same. Thank you. This is BBP Creations, and whenever you watch this video, you like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.